Hi guys, you are welcome to my new video, and today in this video we will learn how to make an image gallery using HTML, CSS and simple JavaScript. You can see on my computer screen we have one big image and some small image also. Whenever click this image, it will give a new image. You can see here, and another part is whenever hover this cursor on any image, you can see these images clearly. So very easy to create this type of image gallery using HTML, CSS and simple JavaScript. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Website Creators to watch more videos like. Now let's start this video. This is my project folder. Let me open this project folder. We have one is index.html file and another one is CSS file, and we have one more folder like images. Let me open this folder. We have some images for this image gallery. You can find this image, all the links in the video description. Now let's come back. Let me open this HTML file and CSS file, which is brackets text editor. So my favorite text editor is brackets text editor. So let me open this file, which is brackets text editor. So open as brackets project. So this is my index.html file and this one is style.css file. So in this HTML file I have added one meta tag. So meta name report content width equals device width initial scale 1.0, and I have added one title image gallery, and I have added one link tag. So I have connected the CSS file with the HTML file. So let me come back in the CSS file, and I have added margin 0, padding 0. Let me type. Now we need to create one div. So let's create div with the class name. So class name is product. In this product, let me create one more class name, product small image. So we want to add some small images. For that, let's create one div with the class name. So class name is product small images. So I have added small img. So in this product small image, let me add some images for the small image. So I will add some images. So image, known in this alternative. So image path is images, image1.jpg. So let's add one on click function. So on click. So in this on click we will add one function name. So my function. So my function name, and let's add this. So this one is one function in the JavaScript. So let me duplicate this one 5 times. Let's change these images 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So we have added these 5 images. Now let's refresh your website. For that, let's come back. Open this index.html file with the Google Chrome. You can see these images over here. Now we need to design these images. For that, let's come back. First, copy this product small img. So let's add here. And now we need to add image also. So let's add height 92 pixel, and we need to add margin also. So margin 10 pixel from the top and bottom, and left and right it will be 0. And let's add cursor pointer, and display block. That's it. Now let's refresh your web page. You can see these images is small and it will come the left side. Now let's come back. Let's come back into the HTML file, and let's copy this class name product, and let's come back in the CSS file, and let's add dot product with the class name. So add the dot because it is the class name. So in this product, let's add one top. So top it will be 50%, and left also 50%, and transform translate minus 50 percentage and minus 50 percentage, and let's add position also. So position, it will be absolute. And let's refresh your web page and you can see these small images in the center. Now let's come back in the HTML file. So after these small images, now we need to add one big image. For that, let's create img. So image img, so image container. So in this image container, let's add one image with the ID. So not required, this one, and image path is img image1. So let's add one ID. So ID is image box. That's it. Now let's refresh your web page. You can see this big image is over here. Now we need to design this big image. For that, let's come back in the HTML file and copy this class name image container and paste it into the CSS file. And now we need to add one img tag. So let's add height. It will be 500 pixel. So it is the height. You can see the height is 500 pixel. Now we need to move this picture in the center. For that, let's come back and again copy this image container, paste it here, and let's add float. It will be right, and padding 10 pixel. So let's come back on the web page and you can see these small images padding in the 10 pixel. Now let's come back in the HTML file. Now we have one problem. We need to add this image in the center. For that, let's come back on the CSS file and copy this product small image and let's add here, and let's add float left. And now let's refresh your web page and you can see this image in the center like this. Now whenever click this any image, it couldn't take to the new page or new image. Now we need to add on click function for these images, and now we need to add some hover effect for this image. So now let's add some hover effect for these images. So for that, let's come back and now come to the here. So let's add opacity 0.6. Now let's refresh your web page and you can see it's not clear, and let's copy this and paste it here. Let's add hover. So in this hover, opacity 1. So let's refresh your web page and you can see hover effect. Whenever hover this any image, you can see these images clearly. Now let's come back in the HTML file, and after this closing this div and before this body tag, let's create one JavaScript. For that, let's add script. So here we need to write some JavaScript code. For that, let's type function. So my function, copy this and paste it here, and let's add small image. So for that, curly brackets, and now we need to create one variable. So where full image, so full image is equals document dot get element by id. So id is, so image box, copy this id and paste it here like this. So let's come back. So in the next line, let's add full image. So full image dot src equals small image dot src. That's it. Save the changes and let's refresh your web page, and you can see whenever I click this any image, it will take to the big image here, and hover effect is working fine. So this is the how we can easily create one image gallery using HTML, CSS and simple JavaScript. So I hope in this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and share this video, and thank you so much for watching this video.